Guys, hawak ko na ang Vivo Y29. And I'll tell you some reason what are the best things na makahanap mo dito on this phone while I'm unboxing. This one has a really big battery size, 6,500 mAh, and support up to 44 watts na flash charge. No? So imagine mo, no? Ang bilis siya mag-charge. And this one also has the shot sensation na ultra drop resistant na glass, no? Which gives you, well, protection, added protection if you're a little bit clumsy na madalas manahulog yung phone. And yeah, honestly, one of the things na gusto ko rin dito sa kanyang design. Yung kanyang pearl white design dito looks really nice. Meron siya medyo may pagka-ceramic marble finish dito sa likod. Though it's definitely fingerprint magnet. And I love yung kanyang camera display dito sa likod. More of the camera design niya dito. Very nice, sleek lang siya, hindi siya makapal. And medyo fingerprint smudgy din ang kanyang size dahil sobrang shiny. And you also have your case dito. You have your warranty card and manuals. You have your cable. And you have your 44 watts na flash charge na charging brick. Now, one thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is quite good ang kanyang camera. And medyo makapal nga lang kanyang bezel. Makita mo all throughout. And medyo malaki kundi ka ng punch hole. But nevertheless, I would say na yung kanyang display is good. Multitasking dito is okay. And I would say na quite not bad. Then, ang kanyang thermals, quite okay. And, well, it also is being powered by the very, very, very overly used na Snapdragon 685. I know, right? Diba? So, yeah, it depende no, sa gusto ninyo. But for me, if you're buying this phone, definitely hinahanap mo dito sa long battery life, aesthetics-wise, good camera, and of course, yung kanyang drop resistance na shot sensation alpha na glass. So, guys, if you're interested to buy this one, si Vivo Y29, click mo yung yellow basket.